and today I'm with my friend Ronin and my friend Jason. And today we're doing a new survival-based, mission-based Minecraft video. Today is episode 1, where my friend Ronin will be getting wood, at least a stack of wood. The next episode will be a surprise, so stay tuned for Ronin getting the wood. So here's Ronin playing right now. Ronin, can you really say hi?
Hi.
And he'll be doing stuff. So we're gonna at least make this video. I think I'll upload it at least once a week, once a day, I don't know. So I'm gonna let Ronin talk now. Unless Ronin really doesn't want to talk. Do you want to talk? Okay, he doesn't really want to talk. I think he'll get used to the camera in a few episodes. Will ya? Maybe. Alright. I'm gonna mine the dirt. I think there's, just keep going over here. There's a lot, just get white trees too, birch trees. Birch trees and oak trees. How long do you think this episode will last? 15 minutes. How much are you looking for, Ronin? About like 10 minutes. However long it takes to get a stack of wood or something. Oh, kill that sheep for us. You can do a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, just get the sheep. Just get him. Okay, you got raw mutton, but don't eat it. So the reason that Ronin isn't talking much is because he's doing the work. He's doing the work. Well, for right now. For right now. So next episode will be a surprise. These two know what it's gonna be. We already have. We have a lot of. We have it pretty much. We have a lot of the season planned out. It's gonna last at least a few months, I guess, maybe a month.
Could you tell me what shows you like at the end of the video? Could you tell me what shows you like at the end of the video? I got what
Huh? Do you need a break, Ronin? Well, it will only take a second, guys. Very good. He's good. He will take a break.
Well, you probably won't take a break for a while.
So we're hoping at least this season, or maybe this whole finale will at least last a month and a half, maybe. I guess maybe 2. Yeah, because we're only gonna have how many episodes? Like 20.
We do have to go back to school.
Yeah, school
Is the most important thing.
for right now. But right now, we have some breaks.
Why is he here buying me? It's me.
Yeah, well, I don't know. He's just a weirdo. Alright, look at how much you have, Ronin. Once you get 32, I'll go get some water. I'll get him water right now. Here, pause it. Ronin, you've been streaming for about 5 minutes now. How do you feel?
I feel confident.
Feel confident about the camera in Minecraft now? Yep. So Ronin, is that okay? stopped. And when he got back in, he was so mad about Minecraft. He said like, stupid Minecraft. Well, I talked him into this. You like survival though, right? Yeah. Oh crap, that's wood. Oh no. How much wood? Do you want to fight this? Here, let's fight these off camera, so. Because this isn't the main purpose of this episode. So each episode, we're going to keep switching. So, episodes, like 1, 4, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, whatever that. It's gonna be Ronin, but for even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It's gonna be about. It's gonna be me, and then the other odd numbers 3, 6, 9, all that. It's gonna be awesome. So you hope in this series a lot. Actually, I'm thinking it might even be a little bit more than a month. Maybe even 2 months. Maybe 3 months if we're lucky. So. If you can hear Ronin mumbling in the back, he doesn't like spiders. We'll be. You want to pause and then you can just kill the spider off camera. I'll do that for you. I already killed it. Oh, you already killed it. Nice. What's the problem? Yeah, that one. We got 2 straight. Nice. Maybe if you can kill another spider. Oh, what is that? Super. Run! I'm gonna do this off camera. Ready? Keep running. We'll be right back. Hey guys, just making sure it's on. Anyway, I am back. Well, this is me right now. I'm gonna kill Ronin. So we decided for the first episode and maybe the next 3 or 4, the next 3 or 2. Sorry. We're just gonna do it on peaceful because Ronin almost died. I had paused the episode. Kill a spider or kill a zombie that was chasing us. Like, it was so hard. So, Ronin, you got about 52. You think that's good for the end of the episode? 64? Okay. You want me to get you over to that show? Alright, guys. So, this is me playing right now. So, Ronin, how do you feel about the camera now? Now that you were on it for a good 10 minutes so far. You sit. But it is still, yeah. Here, you want me to get rid of these? Got it? So 64. Oh, these are different pieces of wood. Is that okay? So what's 52 plus 40 plus 64? 12. So get 12 pieces of this. But this is different piece. I know, so just get. I know. I'm gonna use this for the roof. This color for the roof. Oh my god, you guys did not hear that. Spoiler. Next episode is we're gonna make a house. But it's gonna be my episode, so this is on my phone. So we still haven't even made a channel yet. So, Ronin, what do you think our channel should be called?
It's up to you. It's your phone.
Okay. It can be gaming with us kids. Is that good? You like it?
That's okay.
Wait, can you work with it?
I can.
Okay, good. So get 12 pieces of this kind, and we're gonna move on to the next episode. Got it? Oh, I'm back.
Drop it.
Well, you probably missed it, but okay, Ronin. I wonder if I can add music. That would be cool. If I could add music, it would be very cool. It would be very cool. Okay, ready? One more piece. Okay, guys.
Wait,
so
I have 57 pieces? I wonder how.
I must have got it from Duncan. Maybe. But anyway, guys, Ronin, you want to say bye?
Bye.
I also want to say bye. And Jason is doing, I guess, in cars. Of course, but I'm not going to ride it. Anyway, I think I found our area for our house. How you like it? Okay, see you guys. We'll be back with the next episode now that you know what the next episode is. Alright, see ya.
Bye. I said bye. Here at my house, and today actually it's the same day, but I just want to tell you that sorry about the sound. There's noise in the background that will always be there, but I'm gonna turn my volume down like this each time that I play because so you guys can hear me and Jason better. Maybe Jason. But anyway, here's just the intro that the outro that I do. Alright, see you guys. Oops, crap.